the education system here in America is broken. Do you guys agree? Yeah. The problem is that we are treating education, it's more like a bank. You think about it. You go into a bank, you give the money is accepted, that's it. It's not like, you put the money into a machine or you give it to a teller and they ask you tons of questions or, why or how or whatever. No, they just accept the money. That's it. And that's how education is. We're teaching kids not to question and, be motivated and, have a fire burning inside of them. We're teaching them how to just simply accept the information given to them, and that's it. Deaf education, if we want to really get into it, we need to first think about the history of all this. So really it all starts with the Industrial Revolution. As soon as the Industrial Revolution started, we had these mass machines. We were mass producing. And in order for mass production to work, there needs to also be, on the other side, mass consumption. Otherwise, you're just producing, tons and tons of stuff, but no one's there to actually buy the stuff. Understand, before the Industrial Revolution, people were leading really simple lives. It was farmers, people just growing their food, not rich, no, definitely not rich by any means, but living simply, living happily. So when the Industrial Revolution hit, the issue was that they had to teach people how to think, or really not to think, and just to accept what they're given. So where does that even start? It starts actually in public schools, in the schooling system. So in the schooling system, they kind of focused on three main ideas. The idea of teaching people how to work with, people that are of higher power than them, how to interact with these kind of people. Another thing was teaching people how to just accept the information given to them, not to question it. And also teaching people how to just mindlessly buy the products that they're suggesting, and so really by teaching people not to think and just to accept it, don't question. In school, when you ask questions, you're a burden, you're a bother, just stay quiet, take what's given, that's it, that's how you're successful. It makes it where people, they're gullible, you just tell them, you need to buy this, you need to buy this, oh, you would be better if you had this. And because they have that acceptance mentality, okay, then what are they going to do? They're just going to buy that stuff. So really, it all goes back to the economy. So now, the education system, the policies in place, who are they set up from? Who created them? Who established them? Was it the government? The public? The people? No. Actually, it was a very small group of people. Goes back to that white, rich male thing. The people who created the policies for education now, public education now, is actually Rockefeller, super rich, and the Carnegie Institute. So that's not the people. It's not the government. That's some rich men deciding how things should go, all boiling back down to, the connection with the Industrial Revolution and teaching people to be consumers.